everyone, and welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Teja. So for today, what we're going to do is make some original, just amazing chocolate chip cookies. So give this recipe a try and I'll show you how to do it. So the first step to cooking anything or baking anything is to wash your hands. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm just using soap and water and washing my hands. And you want to especially wash your hands now because of the coronavirus going around. You definitely want to keep your hands clean and germ-free when handling with food and serving it to other people. So what you're going to need is 1 egg. I have a whole batch here, but you're just going to need 1 of them. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 3/4 a cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 cup of butter, and weirdly enough, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Before we get started with anything, we're going to want to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, so I'm going to do that right now. So once we set our oven to 350, we can let that preheat, and while that's preheating, we're going to take a big bowl and mix our ingredients together. In a bowl, we're going to mix together the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. So 2 cups of flour, so okay, 1. So now we're going to take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and put it in here. Oops. Okay. Half a teaspoon of salt. This is in 1 bowl. We're going to set this aside for now, and we're going to grab another bowl and mix in our more liquidy ingredients. Now we're going to take 1 cup of butter, which equals 2 sticks of butter, and we're going to put that in our bowl. So I decided to switch my bowl out for a little bit of a bigger one because my butter is just like hanging off the top and we don't want that. So bigger bowl, it's better. You learn from my mistakes so you don't do these mistakes, okay? 3/4 brown sugar and put that in there. We're going to do 1. And 3. Take 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar. So 1, 2. The weird part, but we do it because it's a special ingredient in this. We're going to take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and just put that in the mixture. We're going to mix this up now and beat in the egg once it's like all smooth. Okay, so I did decide to go ahead and put my mixture into a KitchenAid mixer because it's a lot easier and it blends it and mixes it a lot better than if I were to do it by my hand. I am using the wrong bowl for it, so I have to hold it in place. So when you do this, use the right bowl that actually secures it in place, but it's okay. Just like I said before, learn from my mistakes. Okay, so once your mixture starts to look like this, you're gonna want to add in your egg. So just add in 1 egg to this. So you're just gonna want to beat in 1 egg. So once your egg is in there, you're just gonna want to mix it up. Until it's nice and smooth and it creates a nice little batter for us. Okay. Now once this is all mixed up, I'm going to take this mixture and pour it into the dry mixture, and so yeah, I'm just just gonna throw that in there. Just go right at it. Throw this mixture in there. Now we're just gonna take this mixture, tuck it in. This is how it should look. And then you're just gonna start to blend it. So while that's kind of blending in there, I'm gonna take my chocolate chips. I'm gonna take 2 cups of chocolate chips and put them right in there while it takes them up. So 1. Make sure it's all mixed up. And then, so this is how it's gonna look when it's done. So we're gonna take a little baking sheet and we're gonna take our butter. And we're just gonna put this all over the pan, just so our cookies don't stick to the pan when we take them out of the oven. So yeah, now here comes the fun part. We're just going to take our cookie dough and roll them into balls and place them on our sheet. That's literally it. Just roll it up into a little ball about this big and place it on our cookie sheet. So I'm just gonna put these in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes and we will come back when they're out of the oven. So now our cookies are out of the oven and ready to enjoy. And they just break apart like that. So that's all I have planned for today. Come in next week for another recipe. Bye.